Hey guys, just a quick update. Got my brackets installed for the front firewall. Look at that beautiful shelf Justin put together, and I'm gonna stain it one more time. It'll look beautiful. Yeah, so I'm coming right along. I have everything laid out for my box. This is going to be for the shore power side, and then this side will be for the 12 volt side, and it'll have the battery, and the middle will be for the air conditioner. This is for the wiring that's going to go from the battery charger over to the battery. And then I got my mounts installed for the air conditioner to hold it all in place. And it's a snug fit, trust me. I'll be lucky to get it in there with weather stripping. Real tight tolerance, which that's what I wanted. But anyway, that's a quick update. Next I'm going to be installing the, if I can show you, I'm going to be installing the winch and running the wire for it. I've already got it drilled out, so stay tuned, more to come. Hey, what's up everyone? I know I'm gonna be kind of jumping around on the videos. I've already started doing the pre-wire, the rough wire for all of my this will be for my outdoor lights, my marker lights. Gonna be running it all to the fuse box and to the trailer harness. And I know I'm going to be jumping around a lot. I've got several little projects that I'm doing while other projects are in the works. I've started my pre-drill for my winch, which will go underneath right there. So I'm just going to wing it. Next couple of videos I'll just kind of be jumping around from doing wiring, finishing up this front box. This will be my 110 side, my 12 volt side. My camera died when I was showing you guys the front box and how I got it laid out. So anyway, I got busy trying to tie up a lot of little loose ends on everything. Get everything painted for the air conditioner, get the front painted so I can install the winch and finish up all my wiring, and I've been real busy with that. I got my trailer wiring all wired up. That'll go directly to the truck, plug into the truck, and then runs all the way back to the to the kitchen pantry that I've kind of forgot about. I've been so busy on this, but anyway, I got all my wires done. That's going to be for my porch lights, and getting ready to start, and I've got everything coming out for the pantry. Pretty much trying to tie it all up and finish the wiring. Once I finish the wiring, I'll be able to hang the inner roof, the outer roof, prep it for paint. I've already got the box top cut and primed. And then I got to start working on a couple of switches. So that'll be in this section, and that'll be a false wall. So the switches, the battery monitor, I haven't decided if I'm going to put the solar controller in this section or not. It might look good. So I still got to work that out. I've got to run my AC plug for the shore power. Air conditioning will run out through that black box. So yeah, I'm just tidying up, doing a lot of little projects, not a lot of filming. And but yeah, things are progressing. So stay tuned. Hey, be sure to like, share, and subscribe on YouTube. That's stebo911@gmail.com. What's up, everyone? I just wanted to give you a quick update and let you see this mess I've got. Putting the air conditioner has presented me with a couple of challenges that I think I've overcome, but I've created a real mess. I wanted you to see it, so when you see the finished product, you can say, wow, it came from that to what it is going to be. And every step I take, I get one step closer to putting that pantry on the rear. So it's always on my mind. That's the shelf, the beautiful shelf that's not so beautiful right now. It's way up on the thing. I had to take it out so I could fit the air conditioner and seal it real good. You know, take one step forward, 2 steps back. That's my motto.
And if you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow after me. Gonna do the 2-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip.
Hey guys, just another quick update. I got the air conditioner installed. And I got the shelf put back in. So yeah, making some progress. Looking good. And here's what it looks like on this side. It's a tight fit. That's the way I wanted it to fit. It's completely sealed up. So yeah, another little project finished, so I can move on to start doing the interior sealing and switches for the inside.